guys, we're back. I told you I wasn't going to keep you on camera while I built this thing because I didn't want to keep you on camera for a long period of time. Here's where we're at. The directions did say you might have to pull it and tug it into place. So this is what we did. We used one ratchet strap to pull on the top, one to pull on the bottom, and then we leaned into it pretty hard to keep it nice and flat on the floor. And then it gets 2 screws in from the back. They're not in on that side yet. That side the screws are in. I'm pretty sure we're going to add 3 more screws to each side because we did have to pull that pretty good. There's still a really large gap here and a fairly large gap here that when we tighten them up, things are really going to get moved around. So I just wanted to show you, what it really took to pull that in there nice and tight like you're supposed to. There's where we're at. When we get next time I come back, we'll be mounting the hatch. We'll put the handle in it. We'll get the hatch all mounted. So we'll bring you back for that. Thanks for coming and watching. See you later.